everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is TAKARAONEA, or you can call me Teeks. It is whichever one you would prefer to call me. And we have a special guest today. My 7-month-old daughter is going to be featured in my video today as well. We're going to be doing a what we eat in a day video. So I'm going to be showing you guys what we eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So without further ado, we are not even going to make this intro long. We are going to go ahead and get right into what we eat in a day. You ready, Zahara? Say ready, set, Lego. 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 And Lego. Ready to eat something? Ready to eat? I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. I'm gonna eat this camera. Alright, so starting off with the first meal of the day, breakfast. I'm really trying to gain more weight and keep on those calories because I breastfeed and I've lost a lot of my calories and weight. So I'm gonna be making pancakes, eggs, and sausage. I'm using the Aunt Jemima brand pancakes because these are super easy to make. Then I'm also gonna be making these Hillshire Farm beef smoked sausage. I love cheese eggs, so I like to add a little sliced cheese to my scrambled eggs as well. So that's my meal. And then for Zahara, I cut her up some bananas in little bite-sized pieces. I still have to be careful with her because she has a gag reflux and she doesn't have her teeth in yet. So I know this is still a little hard for her to swallow her food. So I do still feed her baby food. Okay, so I'm also making me a cup of coffee. I like to use the International Delight Caramel Macchiato Creamer. It's not Starbucks, but it's close enough. And for Zahara, I give her some pear juice. I mix it with a little nursery water. Okay, so before lunch, I like to take these raw maca pills. I take 2 a day. Again, these are just for my weight gain journey. They do help with fertility and with energy as well. So if you're looking for help in that area, you can try these out. But I take them specifically for weight gain and energy. The pills are a pretty big size, so if you don't like taking pills, you can dump the powder into a smoothie. Okay, so for lunch, I'm gonna be making a spinach chicken wrap, which is really yummy. I'm using this Panera Bread Caesar dressing and mayo for the sauce. These chicken fajita strips, spinach wraps, lettuce, Parmesan cheese, pepper and salt, tomato, and onions. This wrap is good to pack on some more calories. Also, I actually prefer to season up my own chicken and cut it up for the wrap. But for now, I'm just using these strips because it's all I had at the time. So I went ahead and cut up my lettuce and tomatoes and onions and my chicken. While I was doing that, I gave Zahara a little snack. She loves these Gerber organic baby teething wafers, specifically the blueberry, apple, and beets. So this is a value pack that I got from Sam's Club, and it has 2 different flavors. So now I'm taking the mayo and the Panera Bread Caesar dressing and mixing it together. I'm adding in a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna take my wrap and then just add a layer of sauce to the wrap. I'm adding my chicken and all my toppings and then my cheese on top. And then another layer of sauce. Then I just went ahead and rolled this bad boy up and cut it in half. I'm just eating it with some chips and grapes and one of my high protein boost shakes. I really want to recommend, if you're trying to gain weight, to try out the Boost Very High Protein. I was all out, so I just picked up the high protein at Sam's Club, but they only sell the very high protein shakes online. And these shakes have double the calories than regular Boost or Ensure. They have about 530 calories, which is insane. So remember to get the very high protein, not just the high protein. So for Zahara's lunch, I'm giving her the Happy Baby pear, zucchini, and peas. And she seemed to like this mix. I'm just pouring it in her jar. I actually got these cute little jars off Amazon. They're super cute. They even come with labels to label each food. I also let her have some of these strawberry apple puffs from Gerber and some of my grapes. Okay, so next I'm making my smoothie for the day. The blender I use is the NutriBullet. It's my absolute favorite. I'm using the GMC Bulk 1340 whey protein. This is supposed to help gain more weight as well. You're supposed to use 2 scoops in 2 smoothies a day, but I honestly just use 1 scoop in one of my smoothies because it's far too thick for me. I'm using the tropical fruit blended with dragon fruit smoothie blend, and then I'm adding some frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, and honey because this adds more flavor, and vanilla almond milk. I blended this all up and then I just drink it with a straw. Lastly, for dinner, my mom ended up cooking before I can get to it. So we just had rice, swai fish, which is so good. It's kind of like a healthier version of tilapia. I don't eat tilapia anymore, so this is a great substitute. You can cook it on the skillet or put it in the oven. And then we just had salad. I let Zahara also have some of my fish and rice because I was trying to let her try out more solid, non-puree foods at the time. So she's almost 9 months now, again, you guys. So her food has kind of changed since I recorded this video. So I will do an updated video as well. But yeah, I just added another protein shake into my meal. And that is pretty much it for our dinner. So that was our what we eat in a day video. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, make sure you guys subscribe. Comment below what you ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner today. And give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you at the top. Peace.